So you want to know how I was able to launch my business on Facebook and sign up 23 members from one post? The answer is pretty simple. It's called curiosity. The key to success in marketing on Facebook is understanding what your target audience is interested in and creating content that elicits a feeling of curiosity. Because when you create curiosity-based content, you can easily capture your audience's attention and get them to take action. This is exactly what I did to launch my MLM business. I used curiosity content to capture the attention of my potential business partners on Facebook. Your Facebook post is the determining factor of whether or not your potential partners will take action. When I sat down to create my curiosity post, I asked myself the following questions. What type of content will pique their interest? And what words or phrases or images can I use to create curiosity? I used these questions to help me craft my post, and within just 3 days after posting, 23 people had signed up. Creating content that is based on curiosity can be incredibly powerful when it comes to marketing on Facebook. So today I'm spilling the tea on how to create your own curiosity post so that you can launch or relaunch your business and start enrolling new members within the next few days. This is a strategy that you can use every single month to build momentum inside of your business. Oh, and be sure to stay till the end because I'm going to be sharing with you a secret bonus tip that will help you skyrocket your engagement. My name is Lisa Torres, your sales and strategy coach who specializes in helping digital network marketers and entrepreneurs unlock their potential through carefully crafted social media strategies, systems, and processes that can help you create a six-figure business. And you can get started on your journey by watching my free video on demand, How to Consistently Enroll New Members, Build a Brand, and Create a Six-Figure Business in 12 months. The link will be in the description right below this video. Okay, now that we got all of that out of the way, let's get into the juicy details of how to use Facebook to launch your network marketing business. So here are the 3 tips to help you create curiosity-based posts on Facebook that will help you launch or relaunch your business and enroll new members within the next few days. Number 1, you have to have a catchy headline. When crafting your Facebook posts, start with a great headline because the headline is the very first thing that people see. So you want to make sure that it's catchy and that it's short. You want to use words and phrases that evoke emotion that can pique their interest. Here's a few examples. What would you do if you had an extra $1,000 a month? Oh snap, I just launched a new business. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Here's my plan. Having a catchy headline will help you capture the attention of your perfect business partner and will make them want to keep reading. Number 2, the compelling story. After your headline, it's time for you to craft a story. You want to make sure that you create content that is interesting, captivating, and that it leaves your reader with a sense of curiosity. Make it about them. You want to sell a story that resonates with your target audience. What problems are they facing? How can you provide the solution? When creating your story, make sure that it is filled with emotion and paint a picture of how their life will be different once they take action. Also, make sure that you share the benefits. Let them know what's in it for them. That's where you tell them all about the amazing benefits that they'll get when they join you in your team. Talk about why you love the products, why you love the compensation plan, why you love the overall values of the company. And be sure not to mention the name of the company in your post. This is super important because remember, this is a curiosity post. So you want to pique their curiosity because if you mention the name of the company, well, that defeats the purpose of a curiosity post. Number 3, the call to action. I personally don't like to leave links in my posts or tell people to inbox me or DM me because I want people engaging on my posts because this is going to help with the algorithm. Because the more people engage with your post, the more people will see it. So my call to action is something like, show me the fire emoji below, or give me a heck yeah if you want to learn more. And I'll send you a private message with the video to watch. And now for my secret.
Why do we even do this?
Secret bonus tip that not many people are talking about, and it definitely helps skyrocket your engagement and reach. Ready for it? Drum roll, please. Whenever you create a post, listen carefully. Whenever you create a post, send the direct link to the post to your email subscribers. And if you don't have a list of email subscribers yet, Send it to your upline, send it to your crossline, send it to your close friends, and ask them to do you a favor to leave a comment on the post. This is going to help with the algorithm, and it's going to get your post going. And the more people start commenting on your post, the more people are going to see your post. The key is to make sure that you send that email or ask for comments immediately after posting. Don't wait, because the faster you can create momentum on that post, the more likes and comments it's going to receive. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. And while you're waiting for the next video, be sure to subscribe to me on YouTube here, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram at @TheLisaTorres, and add me to your favorites so you don't miss my daily nuggets. And be sure to watch my free video on demand, how to consistently enroll new members, build a brand, and create a 6-figure business in just 12 months. Now go out there and launch or relaunch your business. Ready, set, go.